If you try this pancake recipe aka diet, you will not make your pancake any other way. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make diet the very way, the best way it is made, the way my mom and my aunts taught me to make it. So let's get started. Into my mixing bowl, I'll add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, about half a teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more sugar or less sugar. Add according to your taste buds. And then mix it together. After mixing the dry ingredients, I'll then go in with 2 eggs, about a quarter cup of milk, and water. I'll mix that together before we continue with our next ingredient. And I'll continue to mix this until I get a smooth batter like this. For the 2 cups of all-purpose flour, I used 1.5 cup of water. So the next ingredient is pepper. Add enough pepper and also enough onions to the batter. We are looking for spicy, savory, and sweet taste of this diet. We call it diet. Growing up, this is what we used to eat as our own pancake, and it is called diet. If you bought this when you were in primary or secondary school, do let me know in the comment section. Yes, I ate enough of this. I ate it even after school. A friend of mine reminded me of it. I said, okay, let's recreate this. So that's why I'm making this recipe today. So I'll go ahead and mix the onions and peppers very well into the batter. And then the next thing we're going to do is to fry it. Simple to make, but very, very delicious. I hope you'll be giving this a try. So to fry this, I'll heat up some oil. We're using deep frying. This is not like the normal pancake we watch. I have different videos of pancake here. You can check that out in my playlist. I will also leave the link here. So add in some onions once your oil is hot, and then start frying. Start scooping in the batter into the oil. Scoop in as much butter as your pot or your frying pan can take. As you can see, mine can only take 4. In those days, the women that sell it on the street, they use a bigger frying pot or frying pan. We call that agbada. And that can take up to 15 or 20 pieces of diet at the same time, because there are a lot of customers waiting to pick it or devour it the moment the thing comes out from the pan. So if you have a bigger pot, you can use it for that. But for me and my family, this is what we have for now. After frying it on one side for about 5 minutes, I'll flip it over to the other side and let it to continue to fry. And I will continue to flip and fry like this until I get a light brownish color or light golden color. Then you know that your diet is done. You take them out from the oil. And here we have our diet. This is the first batch. So to fry the remaining ones, I will take out these onions from the oil because at least it has given the oil enough flavor. And then I will continue to fry the rest of the batter. So, treasures, ladies and gentlemen, friends, everyone, here we have our diet, our breakfast recipe or our snack recipe, which we call diet, which you can also call pancake, or is it oil cake? So delicious. Sorry, yeah, I didn't know that my camera was not on. I cut it to show you how yummy and fluffy it is. You can see how delicious, how yummy, how fluffy it is looking. And the taste was superb, super delicious. I hope you're going to give this a try. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.